Samsung is apparently gearing up to drop a new addition to its Galaxy S series in 2025, and it's going to be called the Galaxy S25 Slim. As the name hints, this variant will be the thinnest in the lineup, potentially giving Apple a run for its money, especially if they plan on releasing the iPhone 17 Air around the same time. While the S25 Slim is expected to feature the same cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite platform found in the regular S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, the big draw here is going to be its super sleek profile, aiming to compete in the thin and light category. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 Slim could be revealed alongside its more traditional siblings on January 22, possibly as part of Samsung's first Galaxy Unpacked event of 2025. However, there might be a twist in the story. Android Authority recently dug into the One UI 7 beta, Samsung's upcoming mobile OS, and found no trace of the SMS 937, the model number tied to the S25 Slim. Meanwhile, the regular S25 models, like the SMS 931U, 936U, and 938U, are all accounted for. This is fueling speculation that the S25 Slim might not be ready for an early 2025 release and could be delayed. But don't count it out just yet. This doesn't mean the S25 Slim won't launch at all. It could still be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event in January, with a later release scheduled for Q2 2025. Samsung has done something similar with the Galaxy Ring, which was teased before its full release months later. And there's a good chance that the S25 Slim will generate some serious hype at the Unpacked event, even if it doesn't hit shelves right away. It'll be interesting to see how the pricing plays out too. Will it be more affordable than the Ultra variants, or will the Slim factor come at premium? So, what do you think? Are you excited to see the Galaxy S25 Slim? Will it be the sleek, thin device you've been waiting for, or are you holding out for the full-fat S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.